Hello students, welcome to Pasha's Economy online classes. In today's lecture, I am focusing on how to get command on Indian economy and AP economy. I mean like to say how to crack paper 4 under group 1. $1 million question, how to get command on Indian economy and AP economy, where the sources are very limited, what to study, what not to study, a bit of confusion. But nature of the syllabus is most complex and controversial, ambiguity in nature. But how to get edge on this subject? So in this lecture, I'll try my level best to give one solid approach how to develop your subject towards Group 1 Mains Paper 4. Students, in Mains Paper 4, the scheme of the paper recently announced APPSC that I have written on the board the question 1 examination pattern. The examination pattern is descriptive nature. 3 hours paper descriptive in nature. 15 questions, 10 marks each question. 10 marks each question. 15 questions. Choices in each set, either A or B you have to pick up. 12 chapters, 15 questions. Choices will be there. 30 questions in the exam. 15 you have to write. Either A or B. Choice in each section, each segment. 15 question. 10 marks. 150 marks in this paper. The question paper nature is descriptive nature. Student, 12 minutes is required to write your answer. APPSC has proclaimed they will be give the booklet. Within a booklet you have to present the answer. No extras will be provided you. No extra papers, no extra space they will give you. Within a space manner you have to be finish your answer. What a tough task for the student. Within 12 minutes you have to present your answer. What kind of strategy is required? See, you should have the analytical ability. Critical approach. The question nature like discuss, like comment, like narrate, like enumerate, justify, tell your opinion, clarify, these kind of questions. You must develop the framework for writing the concepts, which is most unbiased answer you have to write. You should not write the biased answer. That is most challenging task for the aspirant. So in this lecture, see, each and every answer, whatever it may be the topic, you can be generalized and summarize in this manner. First, present 2-3 lines in the format of introduction. That you write introduction, nature of the introduction. Introduction, topic of the nature you can be write. Clearly you can write nature of the topic, whatever it may be. Say for example, current account deficit, you write the nature of the current account deficit. That is most important. Then you have to write the statistics. Data, economy is having hand in hand. Most of the people say that data is not economy, economy is not data. Look, data is different, but analytical data is different. But here you have to write analytical data. That 1950, 1990, 2004, then 2014, then present. Data analytical is most important one. A part of this, your opinion is more required, my dear. You have to write your opinion. See, analytical part is nothing but discuss it, analysis of the problem. So that is most important in your answer. A part of that, way forward is very important. You have to write your main presentation. What is your view on this problem and what you are feeling, how to deal this problem? If you become as a servant, suppose you are going to become as a deputy collector, how you give the way forward for the problem. That is your own student comment on the conclusion part. For every answer, introduction, body of the text, then data, some data, then graphical presentation, pictorial presentation, then write conclusion part. This is the format of the 3 hours examination pattern. The next most important thing, how to get command and what references you are going to read. There is a misconception on the group 1 paper, newspaper editorial is enough. Is this newspaper editorial is enough? Never. Newspaper editorial is talking about present scenario, but you want past scenario also and future presentation also, way forward also you required. That is the reason why newspaper alone will not be sufficient, but newspaper will give the critical comment on this situation, on the issue, but newspaper editorial enough is not enough for writing your paper 4. That is my personal view. Can Telugu Academy is enough for the student? No. Telugu Academy will give you basics. Without basics, your answer is meaningless, my dear. Basics are most important input for presenting your answer. Telugu Academy will give you basic. Telugu Academy will give you past data very well. Newspaper editorial will give you present data and future present data and critical aspects, but you required your own analysis. That is the reason why particularly Telugu Academy will not be 100% sufficient for Group 1 mains. Can Mishra and Puri, Datta and Sundaram is sufficient for cracking the Group 1 mains? No. Mishra and Puri and Datta and Sundaram is academic orientation, academic compilation. It is a versatile documents in the economy, versatile volume in the economy, will give you clear cut picture on the Indian economy. But my dear, examination point of view, Mishra and Puri, Datta and Sundaram 100% will not be sufficient, but to some extent the books will be sufficient to you. What references are required? Do we have any references in the Indian economy? Or without references, what is the how the subject will be developed? Of course there are some references, but what kind of references? See, you are becoming as a public servant, definitely you should thorough enough about government policies. You have to reflect the taxonomy of the government policy. You should have the clear picture about the government policies, programs, magnitude of the policies, what extent policies have been implemented. You should have thorough knowledge about the government policies. Where you will get the government policies? What is the relevant sources for this? My dear, relevant source as per my knowledge is Government Economic Survey, government websites, Press Information Bureau, reports, think tank of the Government of India's websites, Niti Aayog websites, UN websites, as well as World Bank websites, CSO websites. So these are all the informations will make you the good clarity, solidarity to maintain in your preparation. Compilation is required here where aspirant is missing their chances. A part of that, directly taking the government policy report. Government policies may be biased. Say for example, Yojana, Kurukshetra, favoring to the government. These are the government documents. Can government document reading is enough to crack the UPSC or APPSC in the paper 4? No. You required your critical opinion. That is the reason why editorials, economic and political weekly magazines, as well as number of editorial columns and own some economist views like Raghuram Rajan prospects, Rangarajan prospects, as well as Urjit Patel prospects, Abhijit Banerjee prospects, and as well as D. Subbarao prospects. So their opinions will be big matters. You have to follow. This is the very comprehensive long strategy in order to get command of this. So my question to answer is, what references are required? You require these references: government papers, government research papers, government the magazines and government documents are required. At the same time, their economist comment are required. Business papers in the news analysis like Hindu, like Business Line, like Economic Times editorials also will be sufficient. But you should have the rationality. What is required for your exam? That you have to bring it. You can use it in the conclusion part, or you can use it in the introduction part. That is more important. A part of this, one more misconception here: can civil service preparation can get edge in Group 1? Our civil service preparation is enough. So most of the civil servant students has inquired with me, sir, we are preparing civil services. APPSC is also with par with the civil services. Both syllabus are similar, sir. Now can we have the chances? Our preparation is enough to crack it. See students, my journey started with civil service only. I have been associated with most of the civil service students. But one thing I'll tell you, civil service aspirants are lacking in the analysis part, lacking in the regional part, but they are very good enough at the basics. They are very good enough they are very good at the subject, no doubt about it. But civil service students has to make double work in the APPSC. Like AP economy under paper 4 strategy, they required AP economy. Second most important thing, they have to focus on data, where UPSC students are lacking in data. Third most important thing, analysis of the data towards current juncture of the state as well as the Indian economy. Where UPSC prelims cum mains preparation, when the student will give, generally I notice they'll focus only on prelims orientation. They will not come out with the mains orientation. You have to compete with the state aspirant. That is the reason why your special focus on AP is required, special focus in answer writing. Your syllabus in UPSC is very limited in nature. Once you can see the paper 4 in Indian economy is versatile, very enhanced manner syllabus is prescribed. You almost read your syllabus in UPSC prelims, just the socio-economic problem, poverty, unemployment initiatives. The prelims point of view, limited portion. Means less focus in the coaching centers, less focus in the your preparation time. But here is not like this. 12 chapters, solid subtopics, very crucial chapter. You never ever read those topics in your civil service preparation. That is the reason why economy syllabus is civil service aspirants also required a much time to be spent here. But some edge UPSC student will have, no doubt about it. But you have to do a lot of work in the regional economy as well as Indian economy is also you required more syllabus. Some topics were never discussed in your prelims, mains of UPSC, like infrastructure, inclusive growth, as well as agriculture, industry, highly ignored. You read only RBI and you read only with the schemes in your prelims in your civil service area. But these are the things you have to study a lot. Okay? Some topics you have edge, some topics you need to be work a lot. Don't take any risk, my dear. It's a golden opportunity to crack the APPSC Group 1 mains, and also you are going to become as a RD, deputy collector, as well as commercial tax officer, as well as you are going to become as a DSP. It's a golden opportunity for the student. Another most important thing, can test series envisages for better marks in the APPSC Group 1 mains paper 4? See, of course test series will give you a lot of clarity, but in offline, I have conducted 4 and 5 series. In test series, I have conducted. But I noticed one thing. Without content, they have submitted me blank papers. Bluff like anything in the answers. On that ground, I can say, test series only may not support you for crack in the paper 4. Of course, it will make you the idea about the subject. But until unless you are not going to develop the content, don't expect test series will give you roadmap for crack your paper 4. Test series can help you at that connection when you have the brush up your preparation, when you have this solid content with you, when you are going to write something, properly get evaluated. Test series will give you a lot of 100% for you. Without any content, my dear, don't expect test series will give you 100%. I noticed with the civil service aspirant, sir, we already preparing for civil services. Already we have taken coaching in here and there in Delhi and Hyderabad. Now we will be joining test series, will be complete our work. Students, test series 100% will not be sufficient for you. Develop your content. After thorough in the content, then you can definitely give your test series. Of course, test series is required for you in order to get clarity in the subject. But without content, don't join in test series. It will make you trouble. Okay? First, you brush up your preparation from Pasha Economy online. Most probably July mid or August I'll be launch online test series. So definitely meanwhile you can brush up your preparation. Then definitely by seeing the November 1 test series I'll be run. That will give you value addition in your answer. So test series is required, but without content, don't join, my dear. That is fruitless work. That is a barren of exercise for your work. Okay? So that is the thing. Other most important thing, how Pasha Economy helps to score good marks in the economy. See, the what experience I have in the teaching, past 13 or 14 years experience, being an being in the working in the government side, working in the economy side, what experience I have, based on that, whatever the classes I'll be take, I planned in the group 1 paper 4, definitely my strategy is start with the basics. Start with the basics. Each and everything I'll be start with the basics. My strategy, kindly notice it well. First, suppose if, say for example, I am starting with non-performing asset. When I'll be start with non-performing asset, definitely I'll focus what is NPA, background of NPA. So definitely basics will be covered. Each and every topic of basic will be covered. Then my strategy is not only basics, focus on how to answer writing in the class. One topic when I am taking Q&A analysis, question and answer analysis. Question and answer analysis. Next thing, past history we have to cover, like 1947, 1951. Then we'll be see that 1980, 1991, 2000. Then we'll be see that for 2014. Now before COVID, after COVID-19. So that is the end, and question answers analysis will be focused. Most important thing, I'll always focus on novelty and creativity in the answer. How to develop creativity in the answer? We have to bring number of new concepts. What are the new concepts have been evolved? We have to bring into this answer. So my strategy is taking you from the basics to current, linking to basics to current, and showing answer in the 360-degree radius, how the concept is effect on the society, effect on the things, and what is way forward, and how to sum up your answer, we will be focused. These are the points, but ultimately how to get command on this? See, mixed sources you require to get command on the paper 4, like some basics you have to read. What kind of basics? Any NCERT terms. See, I forgot to mention one point. Before you are going to write an answer, check it whether proper vocabulary you are maintaining or not, proper terminology you are writing in the answers or not. That's very important one. Suppose when you are writing economy answer, the terminology must be economic terminology. You should not be incorporate science and technology terminology in economy, polity terminology in economy. No, when you are writing ethics, polity and governance, the terminology must be differ. And while you are writing here, your terminology must be differ. So develop terminology, develop vocabulary. That is individual approach. And also, my dear, I'll be focused on terminology, I'll be focused on basics, then I will be take you the long, the preparation for how to present your answers in the exam. But no single source can sufficient for you, my dear, who are due to this COVID-19, who are very difficult to conduct offline classes, and the students who are far away from the cities and who are reading at the regional level. It's my small request, develop your various sources rather than depending on one class notes, one book and one material. Neither newspaper will be 100% support, neither your Telugu Academy, near Mishra and Puri, near Datta and Sundaram, not your UPSC famous renowned books. Those are the guides most suitable. You are under misconception. We are having civil service material, we can be write something. Don't leave the opportunity. It is a golden opportunity for you to become as a deputy collector. This is a good opportunity. That is the reason why. Take some basics, do vocabulary work, read some newspaper, do some editorial, read some renowned economist, the views. Then you are able to furnish your answer well. Take directly introduction and conclusions from economic surveys and budget statements, government statements. That will be more value addition for you. It's quite difficult, complex in nature. It is not easy like other subject where I can be 100% groom you, but I'll try my level best to immense satisfaction. I'll be load through my videos. Thank you very much.